Hi everyone, my name is Jan from White Rabbit Capital. Welcome to my channel. I wanted to make a quick video regarding my trade performance on my first month with my 20 Apex funded accounts from November 19 to December 19. But before I start, I wanted to say that I hope you're doing amazing and I hope you're living your best life as always. And this slide over here is the Apex dashboard. As you can see, I have 20 Apex accounts. In this column over here, it shows my P&L, and you can see that I have about approximately $800 per account. In this last account over here, there is a differential of $50. And that's because during one of my sessions, unfortunately, it did not copy the trade during my trade execution. On to the next slide. Over here, it shows you that I have 11 number of trading days. Even though I have been live streaming from November 19 to December 19, it only shows 11 trading days here. That's because for those of you who has been following, there are some days where I have 0 trades, and there are some trades where I have about more than 2 or 3 trades. And for those days that have multiple trades in a single day, Apex actually only considers that as just one single trading day. On the next slide is the Rithmic software actually shows the same information. You can actually calculate your current drawdown by subtracting the peak balance over here in this column over here with your current account balance over here. And when you do that, you can see that my accounts has about $52 current drawdown. As you guys know that for $50,000 funded accounts, Apex actually only gives you $2,500 max drawdown. And if you compare that with my current drawdown, you can see that it's nowhere near the max drawdown, which indicates that these accounts over here are actually healthy. The next slide is the NinjaTrade performance. This is what I use to analyze my trades. You can see that the gross profit is 22.6K. I have a gross loss of 5.5K. If you subtract them together, then you have a total net profit of 17.1K. That's already with commission. So if you deduct the commissions, then my total real net profit is only 16K. That means that I have been paying approximately $1,000 for the commission. The profit factor shows 4.09. For those of you who don't know what a profit factor is, anything that is equal to 1 means that your system is breaking even, and anything above 1 means that your system is profitable. In my case, it's 4.09, and this is a high number. That's because I only took few total trades, but I estimate that throughout the year, this will go down to somewhere around 2. Over here is the total number of trades. I have 279, which should have been 280, but because one of my accounts did not get copy, I only have 279. If you divide this by 20, then I only have 14 trades, the total number of trades. You do the same thing for the number of winning trades and number of losing trades, then the result will be 12 wins and 2 losses, and the win rate of that is 85.66%. Over here is the average winning trade. I only have $94.77, and my average losing trade is 138.44. My average losing trade is actually bigger than my winning trades. However, my largest winning trade is $425, and my largest losing trade is $150. There's some more information over here, like the average number of trades per day, average time in market, profit per month, max time to recover, longest flat period. But in my opinion, this information here, I don't think my system requires this information right here. And if you are a visual person, then you would appreciate this chart over here. So from November 19, I started with $0. Then to December 19, ended up getting 16,000. Next step, for next month, I would like to make some slight changes to my risk management. So the first rule is that I would like to increase my risk from 1 contract to 2 contracts. Depending on how volatile the market is, if the signal bar is huge, then I have no choice to decrease my contract size to 1 contract. And the second rule is that once my drawdown reaches more than $500, then I will have to decrease my contract size to 1 until my drawdown, my current drawdown, is below $500. Then I will continue trading 2 contracts. If things gets really, really bad, let's say 1250, which is 50% of the max drawdown, then I will have to take a break, figure out what's wrong. I have no doubts with my system. I believe that if my current drawdown reaches more than 1250, then there is significantly big changes to my lifestyle. Maybe my health, some priorities have changed, or something else. And then at that point, I had to really take a break and then come back, trade sim until I get my confidence back. So here are my expectations from this month, from January 6th to February 6th. Since I will be increasing my contract size by 100% from 1 contract to 2 contracts, I expect my average loss to be $300 per account, which is a total of $6,000 per trade. At the end of February 6th, I expect my total profit to be $16,000 to $32,000, which is $800 to $1,600 per account. And my total balance would be $32,000 to $48,000, or $1,600 to $2,400 per account. Now my goal is that by second week of March, on my 3rd month, very hoping that I will be able to qualify to withdraw $10,000 or $500 per account. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's my trade performance. If you find this helpful, please subscribe. I have a very small channel, and when I live stream, I don't have anyone to talk to. So if you are new to trading, or if you have any questions, feel free to interact with me. I answer every questions. I answer every comments. That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.